Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to log out of ELSA Speak. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log out of ELSA Speak, open up the app first and from the main homepage, tap on the human icon at the bottom right. This will open up your profile page. Now, tap on your name at the top and at the very bottom from your settings page. You'll be able to see a log out button. Give it a tap and tap on yes in the pop-up in order to sign out or log out of your ELSA Speak account. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.